You've probably heard the word marketing 1,000 times, but what is it really? Most people think marketing means selling things, running ads, making logos, posting every day. But here's the truth, marketing isn't about selling, it's about understanding. And once you understand this, everything about your business, your content, and your growth changes forever. So let's break down, and in just 4 minutes, you'll know what marketing actually is, why it exists, where it came from, and how to do it right. Marketing is the art and science of connecting what you offer with what people truly need. It's the bridge between your idea and someone else's problem. Think about it. Every product, every post, every ad is a message. A message that says, "Hey, I see you. I get your struggle and I might have something that helps." That's marketing. It's not manipulation, it's empathy in action. The best marketers don't just sell products, they sell possibility. They sell a better version of you for you. Every great campaign starts with one question: what does my audience feel before they ever see my message? Marketing has always existed long before social media, ads, or even print. Thousands of years ago, when traders met in open markets, the best ones weren't just shouting prices. They told stories, they created trust, they understood human nature. That's where the word marketing comes from. The act of creating a market, place where needs and offers meet. Over time, it evolved from word of mouth to radio and to television to the internet and now to attention. Today, marketing isn't about who shouts loudest, it's about who connects fastest. So now let's get to understand why does marketing matter? Because without it, even the best ideas die quietly. You could have the best product, the smartest solution, the biggest dream, but if no one knows, no one cares. Marketing gives ideas oxygen. It's how you turn attention into trust and trust into action. It's how small creators become global names, how side hustles become empires. Marketing is the voice of your idea, and if you don't learn to speak it, someone else will speak louder. The people winning today are not better than you. They just understand how to communicate who they are in a way the world feels. So, how is marketing done? It's not with fancy tools, not with big budgets, but with clarity, emotion, and consistency. Your step one is to understand your audience, what they want, what they fear, what they wish for, and especially what they need. You need to create value before asking for attention. You'll have to tell stories, not stats. People forget numbers, but they remember how you made them feel. It's how trust compounds. When you do this long enough, your audience stops feeling like followers. They start feeling like a community. So here's the truth, marketing isn't something you do, it's something you become good at doing every day. Because when you learn to communicate with empathy, honesty, and value, you stop chasing customers. They start chasing you. If this changed how you see marketing, subscribe. Not just to support the channel, but to support the marketer inside you that's finally waking up.